The original recipe for Rice Krispies treats is made with 3 tablespoons of butter, 5½ cups of mini marshmallows, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Melt the butter in a large pan over a low heat. Add the marshmallows and stir until melted. I turned up the heat to medium for this electric range. Use a silicone or wood spatula. Remove the pan from the hot burner or element and add the Rice Krispies. Mix the cereal thoroughly. Coat a 9 by 13-inch baking dish or cake pan with cooking spray, or cover it with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the pan and lightly spread it with a spatula. Don't over-compress it. Allow the treats to cool for at least 30 minutes. After it's cooled, you can remove it from the dish. This is how it comes off aluminum foil. This is how it comes off parchment paper. Cut it into squares or rectangles.